Okay, now we want to go in to actually do the assignment. So we're going to hit click to launch. And again, it's the same information. And we're going to go to create a thread. You see down at the bottom now you can put a subject, my snap. And I'm going to type in, my name is I love Liverpool Soccer Club and the Kansas City Chiefs. Live in Mississippi. All right, there's 3 things about me. And now I'm going to hit this plus sign right here and insert a local file. I'm going to choose my snap. And now it has loaded and I'm going to submit. So now you'll see that I've got something published. And so I've said my 3 things about me and I've uploaded my snap. It's not a link, it's the actual picture. You can click on it and see it. That's what I want you guys to do. So when you're finished with that, you're going to comment on 3 other people or 2 other people rather, and you're done. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do the first one. When I want to go into module 1, you see I've got more things to do. So module 1 tells me that there are 2 different activities. Both of those are in red. Those are the things that you'll be turning in. So I'm going through my chapter PowerPoints in the book. I'm going through watch this video that goes along with your differentiation. And now there are my questions. And I'm going to follow my instructions. I'm also going to view the rubric. This tells you how to make an A in the class. All you have to do for each activity is click on view the rubric before you get started or after you finish and then grade yourself to see if this is what you actually did. If you accomplished all of the things in exemplary or in the high point scale, you'll know before you even turn it in that you've made 100 on this course. Okay, so once I'm finished making my answering my questions, I'm going to upload the Word file that I'm using and submit it down at the bottom, and that's all there is to it. Let's see. IEP process, there's several videos on how to write your IEPs. We're going to just look through each one of those, and then at the bottom, there's my second one. Here is my template. I'll click on that and follow the steps to answer anything that's in my document. I'll check my rubric. It's a different rubric, but it still tells you how you're going to do all your things correctly. And then I'm going to upload my Word file or I'm going to create my submission or whatever, and then I'm going to submit. And that's all there is to it. And we'll continue doing that all the way through till the course is over. When we get to the midterm exam and the final exam, those will be listed as well on the steps on how to do this. One last thing to talk to you about is the video IEP. Let's see. On your video IEP, everyone in your group that I'll assign this week, everyone in your group needs to participate in this. If you do not participate in the video IEP assignment, there are no other activities that you can do to make up those 100 points right here. So your group will be reaching out. You should be reaching out within the next 2 weeks to make sure that everybody has their roles decided and how you're going to film it and all this good stuff. If you wait until the last day or 2, they're going to be finished and you will not be able to receive any points for this. So make sure that you are on time with your group and staying up to date with the plans that your group will have. Okay? All right, that's all I got for now. I'm sure there'll be other things that I'll throw you a video about here and there. If you have any troubles, please let me know.